it was very widely helpful. And I actually been thinking of some things to write also, because I am better in writing than in talking. It's the way I, yeah. So those are certain things that I still have to tweak about. You have to be as good as a talker, not just writing. I'm a talker. Okay, so yeah, I think what I like about Industry Connect is the way you lead by example. There's something that you don't just talk, you just follow it. So that makes things a little more assertive, especially when it's about sharing, when it's about updating. Start, situation, task, action, and result. So coordinating that in terms of every minor perspective, I think that's something that's helpful not only in technical sides but also in the other sides, like whatever it is, past behavior or past, we have this term called past behavior. So STAR is something that when I sat and wrote down, so my way of preparing is usually writing down. And as much as I code, I'm still not that comfortable in typing as much as I am in writing. So to learn, I need to write. And when I wrote down these things about what did I learn before I was in Industry Connect and once I joined, and in what other angles has it helped me to be active on Slack, to, if someone just pops up a question, if you just jump in and you just talk. I think it's very easy, and that is a very new thing to me, which for me it has opened up a lot of new things, I must say. I don't know if I'm going too deep, but what I like about here is I don't consider myself as one of those topmost coders or technically a super competent person. I do not consider myself like that, but I do believe in the roundedness of being a professional. When you work, it's not just your technical skills that speak, it's a lot more that speak. So that is one thing I've always focused on it whenever I'm here in any meetings or in Slack, or when I interact with people. Also, one thing it was very difficult for me was to not talk to my mentor in my onboarding stage. So we are not supposed to ask, but I was very tempted to ask her, and I asked in ways that I could, but yeah. So yeah, just being rounded and just putting yourself out there as a person who is ready to work, as a person who is already working as an intern. I like those parts of of Industry Connect. I must say, yeah. I think it's important to assess ourselves, what we are good at and what are the things that we need to improve, and that cannot happen just by ourselves. It needs more people. It needs people's observation. So when somebody comes up with any kind of review, a critical analysis, or whatever, a positive comment also. So I think any of that would need a little bit of introspection to see whether we deserve it, whether we fit into that. And if yes, I think it's good to take it. If there's something that we need to improve, then it's best to improve. And if there's something that we're good at, then it's good to be happy about. So along with that, I also think that not everything happens about how we want. Some things take their own course of action. So the more we accept and not give up, try and persevere, I think IT is a fabulous place. I've been getting LinkedIn requests asking for feedback and that they want to join, and I've already been telling them that some questions are a little too deep, for which I also tell them that you need to join to understand this. To that extent, I've been getting questions. At least 2 people through me, I think, would have already come to you by now.